How to create an Amazon account. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create an Amazon account. So let's get right into the video. So the first step is to open up your Amazon app. If you don't have it installed, then you can download it from the App Store. Once downloaded, go into the app. Now at the bottom you can find different options. Simply tap on the profile icon and then tap on create account. It will land you on this page where you will be able to create an account. So here the very first thing you want to do is enter your name and then enter your mobile number or email address. After that you have to create a new password for your Amazon account. Once you are done filling the information, tap on verify email option. Now to verify your email address, it will send a one-time password to your email. You simply have to copy that code and then paste it here. Once you have entered the OTP, lastly tap on create your Amazon account. Now by this your Amazon account will be created. So that is how you can easily create an Amazon account. That's it for the video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Until then, see you next time.